What's up? Welcome back. I'm gonna do my best to record every single process of this video. I think I dropped my chest one time, and that thinks. On replacing my clutch. It's slipping really bad. I've been using a reused clutch for the past year and a half or so, maybe 2 years. And I'm starting to feel the effects of it. So it's engaging. Like, it drives fine daily driving, or I don't daily drive anymore, but when I would, it would do fine. But now when I go drifting or any of that sort of matter, it is not grinding, but it's slipping. I'm not catching really good, so it's due for a replacement. So we're gonna have some fun. Today I'm just gonna start on the small stuff, just removing all the accessories that are holding the clutch, or not the clutch, my transmission in place. So I gotta drop my exhaust, gotta drop this brace bar, unplug some stuff, wires. It's really not that bad. It's just doing it. Like, I'm trying to find some motivation to do this right now, and I'm just tired. I already worked an 8-hour day, and I'm just beat. And I woke up at 5 a.m. So my day starts off with me waking up at 5 a.m., going to the gym, finish around like 7:30. Ooh, there's a gash in my radiator. Not gash, but it got bumped a little bit. It's scary. I'll finish around like 7:30 or so. And then I'll try to get something to eat, but typically I don't. And then I go to work. And then get some projects done, have some fun. And by like 5, maybe I'll do some car stuff. But yeah, I'm a little beat. Just trying to find motivation to put even a freaking socket on the ratchet right now, you know. If you know how I feel, please comment in the section below. It really isn't that bad working on your projects after hours. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so taking off this brace. So we need 2 14s. I forgot the socket size of these, but I'll let you know. And then all the way at the end of it, there's a couple more 14s. So one here, and then 2 on the side. So let's go. Why is this so tight? Oh, that's a lot of dirt. Damn! There we go. Alright. Thinking maybe we'll work on is removing some plugs and stuff. Some plugs and whatnot. O2 sensors. My crankshaft position sensor. Another set of 14s right here. Right here on the side, on the right side of the transmission. Coming off the starter, side bracket on that side of the transmission, the right side, leading up to that small bracket right here that's connected. There's a plug right at the top. That reverse gear switch is, see how this wire is going up? It's right behind there. And for you to get your hand up there, it's super tight, and it's not fun. So yeah, what I did is I snipped it off, called it a day, and then that's where my connections are. These two. I gotta fix this other connection, which is fine. I'm not really tripping. But all this wire is okay to go. I can just move it to the side. So right now I'm going to remove my Y pipe. Alright, unfortunately I'm gonna have to call it quits. You wanna see how that looks? If you can tell, a little closer. closer. That bolt is not straight, or the nut isn't straight, and so it's just binding. It's not easy to come off, so I'm either gonna have to saw it off tomorrow, or I'm gonna have to just use a stronger gun, because that's not budging right now. I'm using a cheap power thing that I bought a long time ago. That thing sucks. Absolute trash tool. Maybe not for small jobs, but for this type of thing, thing's heavy and packs no power. But anyways, I got a good start. Remove some wires, got the brace off, and yeah, I was just gonna get out of here because I'm tired. Alright. I'll probably see you guys in like a couple minutes. For me, like 24 hours. Day 2 of this clutch replacement job. And now, let's get started and get under here real quick. So hopefully the camera position is a little better. I picked up a different tripod. It's totally crooked, it's totally manipulated, and it needs to get off now. So much better. This is kind of fun, but not fun because obviously I'm laying on the ground and I don't have a lot of room to work with, but it could be worse. You know, it's raining outside right now and it's kind of neglected to the garage. And work on the inside, which isn't too bad. Except I've been, not to brag, but you know, I've been in the gym, getting a little bigger, and I'm not as skinny as I used to be, more flexible. So, it makes it a little difficult to be out here. Look how crazy windy it is today. Jeez. Let's get this car up. Try not to drop it. This thing is heavy. I don't know what the weight of it is, but it is heavy. Dang, bigger than both. For the starter, it's gonna be one that you're gonna have to remove. Someone plug it, and then there's another 12 bolt right on the top corner that needs to be removed as well. Yep, 13. The reason why you want to disconnect the battery is because you have a live wire and you have a bunch of metal around the area, so save yourself. That's that. So there's going to be a nut, and there's also going to be a clutch washer. Just go ahead and throw that back on there, that way you know where it's at. 214's holding the starter in there. I'm to remove the cylinder for your clutch, the clutch slave, and your crankshaft position sensor. Basically, if you're a car person and you know what a 10 looks like, that's a 10. Yeah, there's a lot of dust in there. Look at that. That may be my clutch. Bolt, 2 bolt, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 main bolts that need to be removed. There it is. Starting to separate. Cool. So yeah, just making sure we have all the bolts removed. I don't want to say I do. Well, I know there's a couple on top that, yeah, all those are removed. Side bolts are removed. The starters are removed. Coming down to the bottom, the 214s are removed. Crankshaft position sensors removed. Dust boots removed. 2 bolts on the side are removed. And then there's none on this side. So we're good to go. No leading wiring harnesses connected to the transmission, because I know that for a fact because this is off. All this is gone. Brackets, whatever. Necessities are removed. Now, fun part is dropping it. Cause I think I dropped it on my chest one time and that thing's kind of sucked. Thankfully, it wasn't a full connection. Back here is the heaviest part of it. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to drop the transmission or the jack just a little bit. Oh snap! That was fast. Not that bad. Had a minor mess. It's fine. It happens. Reason why that happened, it typically doesn't leak because obviously when you put your drive shaft in, it's a full enclosed. It's a fully enclosed. Nothing's coming out. But when you tip it, where it's going to leak from, it's from right in there on the bottom. But like I said, when you put your drive shaft in, there shouldn't be any leakage. I've replaced this already. It's already good to go. Wasn't really that bad, so I don't really need to replace it yet. But there's a clutch. What a pretty sight, right? And if you've been staying in tune with me for this long, or however long I've had this car, I'm doing a pretty decent job of recording every single moment right now. So, yeah. Bolt washer, don't lose it. Seriously. If you guys notice, so watch the pressure plate. As soon as I start loosening it, you'll see it come out. It's pretty funny. See that? It's kind of funny. Alright. Here's the clutch. There we go. So, split this thing. It's not that bad, but that wasn't smart. Super important. You don't scar these. Get the right one. I believe so. We're at a T55. Yeah, just don't scar these. It's gonna suck. I know that for a fact. I did it once, and all it takes is one time. I will.
Oh, that's real good.
Cool. So I don't have to replace my rear main still. It's already been replaced last year, so good to go. I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna get on out of here. Ow, I pinched my finger. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching on the transmission drop. Just need some time, then I'll get to it with the upload on putting the new clutch in. It's pretty easy, so it's not too bad. Fun part is putting everything back together, isn't it? But I hope you guys enjoy the process. It's super simple. It's not hard. Obviously, if you have the right tools, it makes a difference. So invest in the right tools, invest in the right parts, That way stuff can be done at once, not multiple times. So yeah, enjoy it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.